going to use compatible numbers and rounding to estimate differences. What's a difference?
The answer to a subtraction problem.
The answer to a subtraction problem. The last few weeks we have been doing addition. We are now starting subtraction. But we are going to do subtraction in very similar ways that we did addition. Okay, let's first read the story. Everyone with me.
The largest yellowfin tuna caught by fishers weighed 387 pounds. The largest grouper caught weighed 436 pounds. About how much more did the grouper weigh than the yellowfin tuna?
Okay, first question. Well, and when we say you can estimate, remember estimate means about. Estimate to find about how much more. Boys. No. Okay, in the box, the first question, the blue box says, does the question ask for an exact answer? Yes or no?
No.
How do you know that it doesn't ask for an exact answer?
Incompatible numbers. It doesn't tell
Well, it doesn't tell you to use compatible numbers. I mean, in the story, how do you know? What word in the story tells you that it is not going to be an exact answer?
about.
The word about. Remember? The word about. So I hope on the other paper, when it said about, you were rounding. Okay. So, does the question ask for an exact answer? No. So write the word no. And tell me how? How do we know it's not?
Because it said the word about.
The question asks for about.
I can't see what you're writing.
The question asks for about how many. Write that down. You're not done. Keep writing. The question asks for about how many. Okay, the next question says, or it's not really a question, it's a statement. Circle the numbers you will need to use. So in our story, what numbers will we need to use? Cooper?
387.
Okay, 387, and what's the other one? You should be circling these. What's the other one? 436. Okay, one way to find this answer is by using compatible numbers, like rounding to the nearest 25. So they rounded 436 to 425 right here. Then they rounded 387 to 375. Remember, 75 and 25 are like quarters. When you add 75 cents plus another 25 cents, how much is that?
50.
No, 50. 75 plus 25. You have 75 cents, and then you gave you another quarter. $1, which is 100. So you're adding 100 to 400 and 300. What's 4 plus 3? 700. So 400 plus 300 would be 700. Add another 100, that would be 800. But they're just going to add these numbers. So add the ones. 5 and 5 is
10.
10. Oh, they are subtracting. I'm sorry.
Yeah, and it said, like,
Mrs. Ackerman is already getting confused. I'm sorry.
I know.
We are subtracting here. 5 minus 5 is 0. Okay, can we do 2 minus 7? No, if you have 2 cookies, you can't take 7 cookies away. So 2 minus 7, we're going to have to borrow from the 4. You cross the 4 out, take 1 away from it, which would make it what? 3.
Why don't cross the 2 out?
And then we'll cross the 2 out, and we're giving that 10 to the 12, or to the 2, and make it a 12. So now we're doing 12 minus 7. What is 12 minus 7?
5.
5. And then 3 minus 3 is nothing, so how much more did the grouper weigh? 50 pounds. Okay, what other compatible numbers could we use instead of 425? What could we rounded 436 to instead?
430.
Okay, we could have done it to 430 if we wanted to. What other number could we have rounded 387 to?
440.
No, 387 is what I asked about.
390.
390. Okay, so 430 plus 390, or minus, subtract. 0 minus 0 is what?
0.
3 minus 9, can we do that? No, we have to go to the 4, make it a 3, make 3, 13. Now it's 13 minus 9, which is
4.
4. Is 40 close also to 50? Yes, it's only 10 off. Okay, now we are estimating and using compatible numbers. So on part A, they estimated 73 to 75. They used compatible numbers, made 75. What would you make 22? Using compatible numbers, what would you like to make 22? I would make it easy to subtract. Savannah? Okay, 20. All right, 5 minus 0 is? No.
5.
5. 7 minus 2 is?
5.
Okay, so 55. Is that close to 50?
Yes. Just 5 up.
Now we're going to round or use compatible numbers for 376. What would you like to round 376 to? Eli?
380.
380. Okay, now write that number down and then subtract those. Don't forget to subtract. Mrs. Ackerman forgot earlier. Don't forget. Don't get tripped.
You put a plus sign on this. On the 430. Yeah.
This one?
No, the
Oh,
other
right
one.
here. Yes, I see that. Okay.
I just saw that and I was like,
Okay. Did you guys find what the answer was?
no. Yes.
Yes. We're not going to argue about it. I'm asking you say one word and you're done. Just because someone else is and you're not doesn't mean that you need to argue. 0 minus 0 is?
0.
8 minus 5.
3.
3 minus 1.
2.
So it is 230. Is that what you guys got?
Yeah.
Okay. Go to the next page, please. Another way to do this is using place value to round. So, the first step, read the first step for me, please. We're going to subtract 436 minus 387. Step 1 says to what?
Round 436 to the nearest 10.
Okay, so what does 436 to the nearest 10 mean? Or what would it be to the nearest 10? If you don't remember, you can circle the 3 because that's the number you're going to change because that's the tens place. What does the 6 tell the 3 to do, everyone?
Go up.
Go up. So it would be 440. Okay. Now, rounding to the nearest 10 on the other number, 387. Remember, the 8 is the one that may change or stay the same. It might go up or stay the same. What does the 7 tell the 8 to do? Savannah?
Go up.
Go up. So that would make 300 instead of 8, it'd be
390.
390. All right. Now, since we rounded both of those to the nearest 10, we just have to subtract. 0 minus 0 is
0.
all right, here we're going to have to regroup again. Can we do 4 minus 9? No, if you only have 4 cookies, I can't take 9 away from you. So you have to go to the 4, borrow some from the 4, make it a 3, and then make 4 14, right?
Yes.
14 minus 9,
5.
5. 3 minus 3 is 0, right?
So 50.
So 50. It is about 50. Remember, that's not an exact number, but it is about 50. The answer. And last thing we are going to do, estimate using place value to round. So once again, we're rounding, and then we're going to subtract. Okay? They rounded 761 to 800. What could you round 528 to the nearest 100 this time?
500.
You guys agree?
Yes.
Okay, 500. What's 800 minus 500?
Oh.
Everyone?
300.
You guys all thought about it right at the same time.
Yeah, we all went like
Okay, let's do B. 642. What could you round that to? Everyone?
600.
600 would be the nearest 100. 600 minus 300. Oh, I like that people were raising their hand and not shouting out the answer. What should it be, everyone?
300.
All right. Go to the next page, please.
Oh.
We will find partners for share and show.
Yeah.